It's July the 29th, 2024, and I'm here on Cedar and Marengo. I'm going northbound on Marengo, and my hand is getting targeted. Frequencies are emitting from the steering wheel right here while I'm going north. In Alhambra. So I'm going north to Alhambra Road and getting targeted from the steering wheel. It's definitely coming from the steering wheel for sure. Action towing. That car ran the stop sign right now. That Ford right here in front of me, they ran the stop sign. They did not stop at all. And people are going home. Bad driver. If they stop this time. California stop. They didn't stop all the way. So anyways, my hand frequencies are emitting from this part of the steering wheel. And this part is emitting frequencies, of course, right to my face. And let's see. Right here. That car is kind of close to me right there. You can't see the bumper. So just passing Atlantic. Garfield. I know I have something in my car, I just don't know what it is. Because I could be standing next to my car talking to someone and I'll get targeted from my own car. So that Tesla. I think that's a Ford. Explorer. So I'm going eastbound on Alhambra Road in Alhambra, getting targeted, and all coming like from the steering wheel area, and then my getting targeted down here in the buttocks area from my car. So I have had heat bumps in my buttocks area and the back of my thighs, and that's from the heat. I get it in my seat at work, but I get a lot of it. It's hotter in my car, probably because I'm not at work. We're at Granada and Alhambra Road. And then this thing was getting targeted in my cubicle all day long. So I kind of have a limp. Because if I put pressure on it, it gives out. Not like gives out, but it starts like to give out. So I don't even press it. So we'll see. It'll be interesting. And then my left knee now is getting targeted driving home. I'm assuming from the steering wheel column. And thinking that's what's happening right now. And then my left knee's getting targeted. My right knee's already have a limb from the targeting network. We're at El Molino and Alhambra Road. Going east on Alhambra Road. Targeted, but it's a little lower. More focused now on my right hand.